First Love is a medium-length TV documentary film made by Krzysztof Kieślowski in 1974. It's one of the most beloved films by Kieślowski, maybe because it focuses on a very affectionately portrayed pair of very young people. The couple shown in the film are barely in their late teens, and yet they are already expecting a child. The film focuses on their everyday life as they are trying to cope with the new situation. They are not married, they are still in school, they don't have an apartment of their own, and they need to make quick arrangement because the baby is coming quite soon. The film is shot in color, and it presents a striking image of mid-70s Poland of the Gierek era, which will be remembered as the prosperous era in the history of communist Poland. We do see quite colorful clothes, the commercial spaces, and the generally pleasant view of Poland in midsummer as this young couple, still very unsure of themselves, are awaiting the child. In the meantime, they are facing the typical obstacle in Kieślowski film, the bureaucracy. They are trying to arrange for an apartment. They are trying to arrange for permits. They are fighting the school bureaucracy, especially the girl is humiliated in school as she is a teenager that is pregnant. There is definitely the feeling that they need to fight the system and they need to fight the state in order to receive some calm and peace and quiet. There are scenes in the film that were provoked by Kieślowski, like the sudden visit of a policeman in the apartment of the main characters, but overall the film has a very authentic feeling, and also it presents Poland at a very specific point in time, and it has traces of the particular mores and of political outlook of the time. For example, you will see that Jadzia is offered an abortion at the beginning of the film. She refuses it, but she has a legal right to do it. There's also a moment when she is strolling down the park, and we see other couples with children, and the Baroque music that is playing in the background is very familiar to Polish viewers and to viewers of Kieślowski's films, since this was one of the most favorite periods for Kieślowski in history of world music. So I would say that the general outlook of the film is quite happy. There is hope at the end of the film, although the film is not denying the difficult realities that the young couple has to face. And you need to remember that this was supposed to be a beginning of a much larger project. Kieślowski wanted to follow this particular couple over decades. He wanted to come back to them. He wanted to make several films about the lives of them and their child. As it happened, he never followed with the project. Only his assistant Krzysztof Kieślowski, after many years, will revisit the couple in a film called Horoscope.